Hi loves, thank you for watching and welcome back to my English channel. In today's video, I have a set of galaxy nails that are beautiful, super easy to do, super simple, and acrylic. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video and that it is educational for you guys and inspiring. And also, I wanted to let you guys know that I am uploading every Friday to this channel and every Wednesday to my Spanish channel for those of you who are interested, and I hope to see you guys every week. And I really enjoy your company. I really hope you guys enjoy my videos, and I wanted to thank you for all the love and support as always. And without further ado, let's get started into this video. To start out with this galaxy set, I am using a truly white powder, and I am going to be applying this powder on the thumbnail and also the ring fingernail. This is just going to act as a base, as I am going to be applying more intense colors later in this video, and this is going to make them pop. I can't emphasize enough how thin this layer has to be in order to keep the design thin and nice looking, and also so at the moment of filing and removing the excess, you don't remove the actual design in any of the colors. So that's why, if you guys notice, I am applying this acrylic a little bit wetter than usual to make sure that I achieve a very thin layer. I am now using a vibrant purple and a vibrant blue, and I am going to create an ombre effect using the two colors. And for the pinky, I am going to start out with the purple, fading this color to about half of the nail, and then I am going to apply the blue one by the cuticle area. I am also applying these two colors in thin layers, not because I need to, but because these colors from this specific collection from Glam & Glitz are very translucent for some reason, so I like to get a nice full coverage, and in order to do that, I like to apply thin layers on top of each other and just build my color. I don't like applying thick layers of this product because I feel like the product does not come out as even as it should, so I like to just take it easy and apply, just layer by layer and taking my time to perfect it. To make the purple appear more vibrant, I am going to apply another thin layer by the free edge, and I am going to fade it all the way down to the middle of the nail, overlapping the blue. Now I am going to be repeating the exact same process on this index fingernail, with the exception that the ombre is going to be the other way around. So the tip is going to be blue and the cuticle area is going to be purple on this one. Just a quick little tip I wanted to give you guys: I don't apply directly on the cuticle area, I apply a little bit further and then I start working my way to the cuticle area because I don't want to overflood my cuticle, especially with these colors that are so intense. Now I am going to be using the same colors, and I'm going to grab small pearls of acrylic and very wet, and it is because I am creating a water marble effect, and I am doing this in the two white nails that we did previously. The reason why I am not applying bigger beads of acrylic is because I don't want the color to look too intense. I kind of want the white to show through a little bit, not too much. I want the purple and the blue to be the main colors, but I don't want them as intense as the ombre. This is just to create a galaxy effect, so if you guys notice, for the most part in all galaxy nails, there is some white to create some dimension to the nail. And as I mentioned previously, the white is also going to make the colors pop, even though I am not applying too much. Now I am repeating the exact same process on the ring fingernail. I am now going to apply this fine silver iridescent glitter that I created, and I am applying sporadically on the ring fingernail. I am going to cover 100% of the middle fingernail, and I am going to apply diagonally on the thumb. I am trying my best to use a gentle hand so I don't remove as much color as I would if I apply a little harder, and that's why I applied with my bead very wet so I can move the product easily without having to remove as much of the galaxy effect that we created previously. Now for the middle fingernail, I am applying a full coverage layer as I mentioned, but I am making sure it is also very thin because I am going to be adding more stuff on top of it, and you guys already know I don't like bulky nails, so I am using my monomer to help me create a very thin and even layer. To make this nail appear more realistic, I am applying chunky glitter, and not only to make it look more realistic, but because you guys know how much I love sparkle, so I am just going to sporadically apply chunky glitters on top of all the nails that have glitter already, and then I am going to apply glitter, more glitter, in the form of I was gonna say hearts. Valentine's Day, it's already over. But I meant to say in the form of stars, as you guys are seeing right now, and also half moons, because these nails would be nothing without this glitter that goes so perfectly with this design. After literally applying a whole constellation on my nails, I am going to be encapsulating using crystal clear acrylic, and I am going to let this product dry out completely, and then I am going to be shaping the nails with a hand file and removing the excess with my e-file, and then I am going to remove all the excess acrylic that's on the skin and any stains that there may be from this intense colors with 100% acetone, and then I am going to cleanse the nails with 99% alcohol to prepare them for gel application. I am now applying a layer of gel, and I am going to be curing this for 30 seconds under an LED lamp. After curing these nails, I am applying a little bit of cuticle oil to finish them off, and this is the final product, you guys. I really love the way these nails came out. If you guys like them, please do not forget to give it a like and also subscribe, share, comment, and let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see next. And don't forget that I am uploading every Friday, so I will see you guys next time. Mwah! I love you guys, and do not forget to subscribe.